Uncovering the hidden treasures of dividend investing. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the beauty of dividend investing. In this video, we will explore how dividends can transform your investment portfolio and provide a steady income stream. Stick around to unravel the hidden treasures of this often overlooked investment strategy. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually from profits. These are typically given in cash or additional shares. For young investors, dividends offer a way to generate passive income and reinvest earnings for compounding growth, creating long-term financial security. Dividend stocks are often seen as a safer, more reliable investment choice. Companies that pay dividends are usually well established and financially stable. By investing in these stocks, you not only benefit from regular income but also from potential stock price appreciation over time. Reinvesting dividends can supercharge your earnings through the power of compounding. When dividends are used to purchase more shares, your investment grows faster, without any additional input from you. This strategy allows your money to work harder, building wealth over the years. Identifying companies with a strong dividend history is crucial. Look for businesses with a track record of increasing dividends year after year. These companies often have solid financials and a commitment to returning value to shareholders, making them attractive investments. Diversifying your portfolio is essential for managing risk. Dividend-paying stocks can be a great addition to your investment mix, providing stability and reliable income. This diversification helps cushion against market volatility and offers peace of mind during economic downturns. Keeping track of your dividend investments is key to maximizing returns. Use tools or apps to monitor dividend yields, payment dates, and company performance. Staying informed allows you to make timely decisions and adjust your strategy as needed to stay on track. Avoid chasing high yields without considering the company's health. A higher yield might seem attractive, but it could indicate underlying issues. Focus on sustainable growth from well-established companies instead of short-term gains, ensuring your investments remain secure long-term. Start building your dividend portfolio by researching companies with solid fundamentals. Select a mix of sectors and industries to spread risk. Balance growth potential with dividend reliability, ensuring a well-rounded collection of investments that align with your financial goals. Many successful investors have capitalized on the benefits of dividend investing. Whether it's funding early retirement or supplementing income streams, real-life stories highlight the potential of this strategy. Drawing inspiration from them can motivate you to start building your dividend journey. Start small and invest consistently. Even modest contributions can grow significantly over time. Review your portfolio regularly and adjust based on market conditions. The key is persistence and patience, allowing your investments to flourish and deliver desired financial outcomes. Ready to discover how dividends can empower your financial future? Dive into the world of dividend investing and unlock the hidden treasures waiting for you. Don't miss out on more insights. Subscribe now for invaluable finance tips to guide your investment journey to success.